Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to embed Microsoft Forms in Outlook email. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook web app by heading to outlook.cloud.microsoft in your browser. Go ahead and log into your account and wait for your emails to load completely. This ensures you have full access to all the features you'll need for sending your embedded form. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, it's time to set up the form you want to embed. Open a new browser tab and navigate to forms.office.com. This is where all your Microsoft Forms are stored and managed. Sign into your account to access your Forms dashboard. After logging in, you'll land on your Office Forms dashboard where all your created forms are displayed. Take a moment to locate the specific form you wish to embed in your email. Once you found it, click on it to open and reveal all the additional options available for that form. This step is crucial because it gives you access to the sharing and embedding features. Now, here's where the embedding process begins. Look for the Collect Responses button located on the top right part of your screen and click on it. This button is your gateway to sharing and distributing your form through various channels. After clicking, a Send and Collect Responses window will appear on your screen, giving you multiple options for how to share your form. In this new window, you'll notice a preview of your form on the right side of the screen. On the left side, you'll see several sharing options. Look for the Outlook checkbox and click on it. This ensures that your form will be properly formatted and embedded directly into your Outlook email rather than just being sent as a link. This creates a much more professional and integrated experience for your recipients. With the Outlook options selected, you'll now see a Recipients field appear above. This is where you'll enter the email addresses of everyone you want to receive this embedded form. Take your time adding all the necessary recipients, making sure each email address is correct. You can add multiple recipients at once, which is perfect for surveys, feedback forms, or team questionnaires. Once you've added all your recipients and double-checked everything looks correct, click on the Send button. The system will process your request and send the embedded form directly through your Outlook email. Your recipients will receive the form fully integrated into their email, making it incredibly easy for them to respond without having to click through to external links. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Microsoft form into your Outlook email, making it simple for recipients to respond directly from their inbox. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.